हाउ टू लूज 1 to 2 kgs इन अ डे। अगर आप अपना वजन सिर्फ एक दिन में कम करना चाहते हैं तो ये आपके लिए परफेक्ट चॉइस।
Guys, if you want to watch the same video in Hindi, I provided the link in the description box below. Feel free to click on it. Guys, few years back, I also fell into the trap of these YouTubers and I left my gym for a month or twice after getting a lot of demotivation from it. I thought that my body is of another kind, I can't develop my body. So guys, what I see in fitness industry, every alternate YouTubers simply impose their diet plan, weight loss diet plan or muscle gain diet plan to the other viewers who are not even their subscribers, whom they don't know personally, without even listing the calorie information of the diet. Suppose one of the viewer needs 1800 calories and one of the viewer needs 3000 calories, and they simply tell the same diet to both the person. So I don't think so it's the right way for muscle gain or fat loss. So according to me, I want you people to get your personal diet according to you. So that's why I am here. In this video, I'm gonna give you some budget diet plan, boys. Some budget diet plan which you can afford, and if not, then at least you can take all the items, jot the items which is needed for muscle building or fat loss. So guys, watch till the end. I'm going to take a sample diet plan, and out of that, I'm going to explain you how you can calculate your own diet plan. Yes, you heard it right, your personal diet plan. So without wasting time, let's bang on. But prior to that, I would like to notify you people that I am uploading some regular content about fitness, lifestyle, nutrition in this channel and in my Hindi channel even. Feel free to subscribe and do not forget to press the bell notification icon so that you do not miss any regular updates from my channel. And even guys, I am also on Instagram. Feel free to follow me on Instagram and support my work if you like my work. In this video, I am going to use 3 basic tools required. So first tool is my favorite, that is electronic weighting machine. You can see this. You can easily purchase it on Amazon at a rate of 250 or 300 maybe. So it's very reliable and it's a OTP, one time purchase, and you can get the result throughout your life. Single battery or double battery, I think 2 batteries needed, right? So the second will be my MyFitnessPal app. It's a kind of application which is very good for calorie maintenance, for calculating your calories. And the third thing, the most important, which I'll be using, are the food materials. Obviously guys, this is your diet plan, so food materials are needed for this plan. So guys, let's bang on.
Firing up a warm pot of hot water and enjoying a warm cup of coffee may be all you need to boost your workout. High levels of caffeine in a cup of coffee are shown to significantly improve your ability to burn fat during exercise. Studies show that maximum caffeine concentration hits at about 45 minutes post consumption. Caffeine is quickly absorbed from the stomach within 15 to 45 minutes of consumption. Meanwhile, we will soak kala chana and almonds for our mid snacks. So our morning breakfast will consist of oats, milk, 1 banana, 1 egg and 2 egg whites. So guys, we will take 50 gram of oats. Oats are good source of carbs, fibers and even protein, including the powerful fiber beta glucan. It also provides us with important vitamins, minerals such as manganese, calcium. And guys, we will take 1 banana. Banana, it is loaded with essential vitamins and minerals such as potassium, calcium, manganese, magnesium, iron, folate, niacin, riboflavin and B6. These all contribute to the proper functioning of the body and keep your heart healthy and even you healthy. We'll take 250 ml of milk. A cup of milk contains almost 30% of the daily requirement of calcium for adults. Milk also contains potassium and magnesium. These minerals are important for healthy bones and teeth. Dairy provides almost 50% calcium in a typical diet. 1 egg with 2 egg whites. Eggs are a good source of protein. They also contain heart healthy unsaturated fats and are a great source of important nutrients such as vitamin B6, B12 and vitamin D. So guys, in the mid snacks, we will take 24 pieces of almonds and kala chana 50 gram. Kala chana is an incredible source of vitamins like B6, C, folate, niacin, thiamine, riboflavin and minerals including manganese, phosphorus, iron and copper. The wealth of nutrients in kala chana is beneficial in boosting the immune system, promote muscle mass, regulates diabetes and enhance hair, skin and nail health. While talking about almonds, almonds contains a lot of healthy fats, fibers, protein, magnesium and vitamin E. The health benefits of almonds includes lower blood sugar levels and reduced blood pressure and lower cholesterol levels. They can also reduce hunger and promote weight loss. So in the lunch we will have rice, pulses. You can either have soybean or spinach or broccoli, a cup of curd and cucumber salad. Guys, we will take 150 gram of rice. Rice can serve as a good source of vitamin B and iron. Rice is also an excellent source of manganese and magnesium. Brown rice provides more vitamins than white rice, but still you can consume white rice. Guys, next we will take pulses 50 gram. You can take moong dal or any other dal. I am taking chana dal. The level of protein in chana dal makes it an excellent source of macronutrient amongst vegetarians and vegans. Chana dal is rich in dietary fiber. Soya chunks are good source of omega-3 fatty acids and fiber. It can benefit in lowering down cholesterol levels in the body. It enhances bone health and digestibility. It's good source of minerals, namely manganese, iron, calcium and magnesium. And even you can take spinach. Spinach also contains several other vitamins and minerals including potassium, magnesium and vitamins B6, B9 and A. Spinach is an extremely nutrient rich vegetable. It packs high amounts of carotenoids, vitamin C, vitamin K, folic acid, iron and calcium. Curd comes from milk and therefore it is loaded with several essential nutrients like calcium, vitamin B2, vitamin B12, potassium and magnesium. An advantage with curd is that it is light on the stomach and easier to digest than milk. Cucumber provides about 4% of your daily potassium, 3% of your daily fiber and 4% of your daily vitamin C. They also provide a small amount of vitamin K, vitamin C, magnesium, potassium, manganese and vitamin A. So guys, our evening snacks will consist of 2 slices of brown bread, peanut butter with 2 egg whites. Peanut butter actually supplies all 3 macronutrients in one serving: carbohydrates, protein and fat. It may not be healthy as spinach and broccoli, calorie for calorie, but it's a great source of vitamin E, vitamin B3, vitamin B6, folate, magnesium, copper and manganese. Wholemeal bread is also a better source of minerals such as magnesium, potassium and zinc. Evidence suggests that eating whole grains can help reduce the risk of illness such as heart disease, stroke, certain types of cancer and type 2 diabetes. 2 egg whites added along with the snacks will increase the nutritional value of it. So in the dinner you can have white rice and chicken breast and some salad or the half cucumber which you left in the afternoon. So basically I took a mixture of pulses and rice. You can have rice or 1 to 2 chapatis and chicken breast. So how will you take out chicken breast from the whole chicken? I will explain you. So guys, this is how you will take out chicken breast from the chicken. So we all get the chicken from the shop. You simply tell them that you kindly provide me from the breast side, or from your house also you can simply separate the chicken breast from the whole chicken, as I am doing, as you people are watching in the video. So all you need is 150 gram to 200 gram of chicken breast depending on your meal size and meal plan. So in this video I am looking for 150 gram of chicken breast, and just see how I am doing.
So guys, now comes your personal diet plan part. So basically I have mentioned the calories, the important macronutrients, carbs, protein and fats included in that diet, in the sample diet. Now I will tell you, I have already made a video out of that, how to calculate your maintenance calories, but still I want to reiterate in this video because every time I don't feel like saying go back to my previous video and watch it. So basically I will be calculating my calories and just see how am I calculating, and based on that,
in order to know your maintenance calories, go to the link I provided in the description box. So calculate your BMR by inserting your age, weight, height and the number of days you work out in a week. After that you multiply that BMR with a multiplier as I am doing. So depends on the number of days you work out in a week, and then after that you get your BMR. So taking mine as an example, I got my BMR as 2266.5 calorie.
So guys, for this part I need a pen and a paper to explain you people, right? So now I know my maintenance calories. See, 2266.5, right? First of all, now I need my carbs, protein and fat. So first of all I will calculate fat. So fat, you can include 15% to 35% from your diet of your total calories. Suppose I want to lose fat and build lean muscle, lean bulking. So I will need 1800 calories. If I want to bulk, gain more weight, then I will eat more or less about 2500 calories. Okay, so suppose I am intaking 2500 calories. Okay, so 20% of that I will take 20% of fat, because it depends your goal and your body. You don't want much fat, you want protein, right, in your body, because you want lean bulking. So what you will do is simply 20%. I will take 20% from your diet. You should experiment, but for reference I am taking 20% from my total calories. Suppose 20%, I need this much maintenance calories and 2500 is the goal in order to do a lean bulking, right? So basically 20% of this comes to 500 calories. So 500 calories I will consume from fat. So in 1 gram of fats we get 9 calories. So 500 by 9, around 55 gram of fat I should consume in a day. 50 to 55 gram of fat. And then comes the carbs and protein. So protein you can consume from 0.8 to 1 gram per pound of body weight. So my weight is 60 kg and 132 pounds, right? So what I will do is simply I will consume 1 gram per pound body weight in order to do a lean bulking. That means 1 into 132 gives us 132. Protein 132 gram. And finally carbs. So carbs from 1 gram to 3 gram you can consume, you are free to consume. So I will consume 1.5 gram. It's up to you, you should experiment. So if you are doing a lean bulking and you want to bulk, really bulk, like you are too thin, then you should increase the amount of carbs depending on the ratio of your weight, right? So I would consume 1.5 gram per pound of body weight. So what I will do is 1.5 into 132, it gives me 198 gram. Okay, so basically my carbs, protein and fat ratio is 198, 132 and 55 gram. Fine, but we should see whether it has concluded up to the maintenance calories or the goal. That is my goal, 2500 calories I need per day for bulking, for lean bulking. I had set my target for. I should check that. So I will check that. So 1 gram of carbs gives us 4 calories. 1 gram of protein also gives us 4 calories. I will add carbs plus carbs and protein. I will add 330 gram and fat 55. So from fat we were taking 500 calories and into 4. So here I am getting 1820 calories. So guys, after calculation I got that my 1820 calories I have got 1820 calories as my fulfilling. So 1820 calories is being fulfilled from this diet. So now I need some extra, right? The remaining 2500 minus 1820, so which gives me to 680 calories. 680 calories I need more. So it's up to us to decide whether we should include the protein or carbs in this diet. So we should experiment. So you can also include fat, you are free. So now if I want to only include carbs and protein, what I will do there is that 680 gram by 4, which gives me 270 gram. So now out 170 gram I have left with. So it's up to me how I take the ratio of carbs and protein. If I want to do a much leaner bulking, then I will include protein. If I don't want to do that much lean bulking, I want to increase my weight also, I will take carbs in my diet. So guys, that's the concept you should understand. And if you don't understand after this also, feel free to message me on Instagram, I will reply, right? So guys, my fat loss program will also be coming in within few weeks, because I am working on various projects because of you guys, and my Hindi channel also. So guys, that's all for today. Hope this video has given you enough knowledge. So guys, feel free to subscribe, and guys, support my work on Instagram. Please feel free. So guys, that's all for today. See you next time.